Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to fix Bluetooth not working problem in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. If Bluetooth is not working properly in your phone, you can do one thing. What you have to do is go to the settings of your phone here and then go to General Management, and go to Reset, and here click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and click on reset settings, and yes, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings have been reset. Now your Bluetooth will not create any problem, and you can freshly connect your Bluetooth to other devices or from other devices to your device. Okay, so in this way you can easily fix Bluetooth not working problem in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye 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 bye.